wiggle wire is works pretty good. Tell you what. Didn't pull.
Yeah.
You know?
No joke.
Looks like a whale skeleton that was stomped on.
You know, if you did something, if you hear him say, "Are you okay?" The only time he asks if somebody's okay. Apricot sometimes there.
And so here we are. We got the tarp taken off the skeleton. We're gonna take it apart as gently as we can, and then we will try to salvage all the poles that we can. But a lot of it, where it bent in half like that, we're gonna have to cut out. So there's really no plan to rebuild that structure, especially since it collapsed the way it did. It was fine last winter. And there really wasn't any issues, and I think we just got so much snowfall in such a short amount of time where it just literally bent the hoops in the opposite direction. So it was a lot of weight. Yeah, so we're just gonna take it apart and salvage what we can. It sucked. Could have claimed it on insurance, but we'd only get a couple $100 on top of our deductible, so it wasn't even worth going that route. It was just kind of a loss. So we'll just move some of the huts around in the pig areas, and that way everyone's got shelter, and fill them with straw, and that's the way it'll be this winter. Nice. That'd be nice. You're gonna get babies in your thing too. We're gonna set another one.